The tractor finally arrived. Thank you, Kevin, for dropping that off for us. We're very happy to have a way of putting in our driveway now. We're going to rent a dozer for about $5,000 a month, but figure this would be a better investment. So we started at the last minute, really. We were on our way to get it and saw a John Deere dealership and said, hey, let's go see what they got. And we left with a lovely subcompact tractor, a John Deere 1025R, fine machine. Fine, love it. I wish I had it down here in Florida with me. Can you spot the tractor? Good one. This is a view from up high. Looking, I think that's south. Where the tree line is low, that's where the creek is. And it kind of wraps around our property. It comes down on both sides, just over 25 acres. At the top there is a spring head, which I saw for the first time back in June. I hope this voiceover thing works. Yes, we're going to deal with the flat tire first. Day 2. Baby Johnny gets a flat thanks to that branch. So this little piece, apparently you can get at Walmart. I don't know about that, but you can get these valves wherever they sell tractor supply stuff or tire stuff. Fortunately, Kevin, my sales rep, got one down to me. I have no service, cell service, so it's very just tire ways. Down with the part that doesn't move and slide back and forth like a teeter-totter, maybe it would have worked. Anyhow, I had a long day on the tractor. I'll chalk it up to that, being tired. Anyhow, the backhoe worked. What we were attempting to do was flatten the tire down a little bit, just separating it from the rim so we can put the what is that thing called? Valve stem? I had to be very careful, reaching in with 2 fingers, being careful not to drop it, because that would have been crazy. Also, I needed to make sure I didn't separate the tire from the tube too much, otherwise it may not have inflated as well as I would like. My lovely compressor, battery powered 12-volt cigarette lighter adapter on the bottom. A fine unit by Black & Decker. And we're just waiting for it to pop. And as soon as I turn the camera away, that's when it pops. There we go. Not quite. There we go.
This puppy we inflate to 140 psi. Oh no. kPa, which is 20 psa. Alright. So now we're here.
PSI. I must say I was very happy with myself and problem solving on this one. And managed to get it back and use the tractor for a little longer.
We may have succeeded.
This is before. I think I took down a couple trees in there. Well done. My lovely wife. Creek in front of the property.
This is your
Didn't
first
adjust the
time?
color on
Well,
this one.
congratulations. It's my first time too. So, I figured I'd do a little YouTube video of my fun and adventures in the mountains somewhere in this fine state. What state is that?
Virginia.
It's a state of confusion. It really is. So, we acquired this unit last week and I've been putting it to use. I think I have 16 hours on it. Boy, have I been busy. Ripping apart the side of the mountain. At this rate, I'll never make it to the top. So this was, I took a lot of dirt out of here. You can see
My attempt at a Trump impersonation.
8 feet of dirt and put it elsewhere. But I'm having a good time. I don't want to leave. I would like to stay longer. However, Mar-a-Lago's calling my name. Anyhow, I just ran out of gas.
Oh God, another poor attempt at a Trump impersonation. Sorry about that.
You could find this really wherever you buy tractors. It's one of the best you can buy. I got this at Need Tractor. Fine folks there. Thank you very much, Kevin. We got the 1025R. Came with a loader. We also have a backhoe on it. And we got an auger on the way. So, we are slowly making a path for our fun adventures here in the fine state of beep,
Virginia.
That's all for today. Well, that's all for now. I'll be back later with some tractor videos.
2 minutes left. There's nobody in the hammocks. Okay, this is some of the damage. This could have been done in 2 minutes with a bulldozer. Oops. It's my lovely family. Look at that beautiful creek. Some fine water there. Fresh and exciting. It's not scary. That drop-off is scary. It's probably 20 feet. Maybe 10. We got about 30 seconds left. I wanted to thank you for watching the video if you made it this far. Subscribe, like, that type of thing. You know. We're going to document our progress on this fine mountain as we go. We're heading up there again September 1st. Should be fun. And I'll update you on our progress. Thanks for watching.